Hello students, welcome back to Notebook. How many of you ride a bicycle? We are sure quite a few of you do. We all know that the bicycle is one of the most important modes of transportation. Today's lesson will give us a detail of how the bicycle was introduced and what are its uses. The bicycle was first made in 1816 by a German aristocrat and inventor named Karl von Drais. 6. Initially, wood was used to manufacture bicycles.
साइकिल का आविष्कार सर्वप्रथम सन 1816 में एक जर्मन अभिजात एवं आविष्कारक कार्ल वोन ड्रायस के द्वारा हुआ। शुरुआती दिनों में साइकिल बनाने में लकड़ी का उपयोग हुआ था।
How do you think the rider rode the bicycle? The rider sat on the seat of the bicycle and pushed his feet against the ground to ride it.
साइकिल चलाने के लिए चालक को ऊपर बैठकर पांव से धक्का देना पड़ता था।
Do you know what a bicycle was called in England in the earlier days? The bicycle was called the hobby horse in England.
उन दिनों इंग्लैंड में इसे शौकिया घोड़ा कहा जाता था।
With time, this machine was made better and more efficient and rebuilt by a Scotsman called Macmillan. So what did he do? Macmillan invented pedals and connected them to the back wheels of the machine. He joined the pedals with a long rod.
मैकमिलन ने पैडल का आविष्कार किया और एक लंबे सरिया अर्थात रॉड से इसे पिछले पहिए से जोड़ दिया।
That was not the end of it. The machine was further developed. This time, a Frenchman added more parts to the machine. The bicycle was, in those days, often called a bone shaker.
अब की बार एक फ्रांसीसी ने इसमें कई चीजें और जोड़ी। उन दिनों साइकिल को अक्सर बोन सेकर अर्थात हड्डियों को हिला देने वाला कहा जाता था, क्योंकि पहिए लकड़ी के थे जो चलने पर पूरे शरीर को जबरदस्त झटका देते थे।
Now why would they name it a bone shaker? The riders experienced a rough ride because of the wooden wheels of the machine. That is why it was called a bone shaker. The Frenchman fitted rubber wheels and the machine was finally given the name, the bicycle.
एक फ्रांसीसी व्यक्ति द्वारा इसमें रबर के चक्के लगाए गए और तब से इसे बाइसिकल अर्थात साइकिल कहा जाने लगा।
However, with several adjustments and developments, the bicycle was finally built in 1879 by an American, Harry Lawson.
अंततः कुछ और नए परिवर्तनों और विकास के साथ आज का आधुनिक साइकिल सन 1879 में हैरी लॉसन नामक अमेरिकी द्वारा बनाया गया।
The bicycle was driven by a chain connected to the back wheels. So, this is all about how a bicycle was invented. Let us now find out its uses in our day-to-day lives. A bicycle ride has several advantages. It is a pollution-free mode of transport.
साइकिल एक प्रदूषण मुक्त वाहन है।
It helps us to travel 3 times faster than we can walk.
यह हमें पैदल की तुलना में 3 गुना अधिक गति प्रदान करता है।
It is not expensive compared to other vehicles.
यह सबसे सस्ता एवं तेज गति से चलने वाला वाहन है।
Most importantly, there are many health benefits related to regular cycling. Cycling is an extremely beneficial exercise. It improves the working of the heart, the blood vessels, and the lungs. This improves the overall fitness level of our body.
यह खरीदने में भी अन्य वाहनों की तुलना में सस्ता है। इसे चलाने से कई तरह की शारीरिक समस्याएं भी दूर होती हैं और व्यक्ति तंदुरुस्त रहता है।
Riding a bicycle gives you the freedom to learn the twists and turns of a city. It is always fun to discover the unknown roads while speeding along on its 2 wheels. We are sure you must have noticed how the milkmen, the newspaper boys, the postmen, and even the hawkers ride their bicycles to travel from one house to another. They find the bicycle one of the most useful means of conveyance. How many of you ride a bicycle to come to school? Let me give you an interesting activity to do. Tomorrow morning, as you ride your bicycle to come to school, observe any 5 things that capture your attention. Make a note of them and write an essay. You can also share it with your teachers and friends. It will be so much fun. That is all for today. See you soon in our recap and Q&A videos. Until then, goodbye and keep learning.